This conference will now be recorded.
Okay. So till now, what we have discussed, we have been discussed about I think so, creating an object, right? Creating an app, right? So we have created an
Yeah.
app, right?
Yeah.
And then we have not seen. Okay. So we have discussed about the app. Then we have discussed about the data modeling. Modeling means whichever objects we need to be create here. Then we have created the object, and then we have created the page layout fields, right?
Yes.
So let me log into our app. I think so. We have created the record types also, right?
Yes. Yes. Exactly. Record types also created.
Okay. Record types also we have created. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, Trupti, we just started and we are continuing with user administration. Okay. So so we have been seen how to create an app, then data modeling, custom object and fields, then page layout, the record types we have seen, right? Record types. So let me discuss this topic links and buttons as well as relationships. Okay, so let's see how we can create a relationships. Okay, so before that, let me see a small topic called links and buttons. Okay, links and buttons.
Types are not clear to me, sir.
Sorry.
The record types are not clear to me.
Okay, okay, no issues. Let's continue today. Maybe tomorrow I'll discuss. So let me discuss today links and buttons, and then we'll see about something called maybe today only. Durga will be available in today's session, not tomorrow from tomorrow. Okay, so we'll today we'll see some few topics. So then we'll connect individually tomorrow onwards. Trupti, no worries. Okay, so whatever you are not cleared, maybe we can discuss from tomorrow. No worries on that. Okay, just try to focus on this today's topic, new topic what I'm going to discuss. The record types we'll discuss again tomorrow. So links and buttons, and we'll see tomorrow relationships, relation relationships. What are the types of relationships we have? Okay. Okay. So buttons and links and buttons and links. So buttons and links means why you in which case we need those buttons and links means. So let me explain the requirement. So let's this company has given a requirement saying that. So since this company is into manufacturing of their own products, product means maybe phones or laptops, whatever it may be, right? So and they want to have they are having their own portal regarding the product description. So what is the product and what is the type of like, let's say if you open any product, let me open any product or lap any mobile, Redmi something, Redmi Note 8. Okay, so like this, if they want to know about this product, sorry, okay, Note 8. So if you click open this product, okay, so it's showing all the description, right, about product and all these things like that. Okay, what this company has done means, what this company has done, they have created their own portal. Okay, they have created their own portal. In that own portal, okay, they have displayed, they have uh, entered all the details about their products. So whatever TVs, washing machine, fridge, anything, all this product information they have kept in one website. Like they have designed one website, in one portal they have put all this information. Now they want to allow their users to access the portal. Okay, so they want to allow the they want to give the access to their portal through Salesforce. Okay, through Salesforce they want to give access. How we can give? Okay, we can create a button as well as link. Okay, so let's go and create a button and link. Now they want to what they want to do means, so let's say we have something called let us create another object. No issues, we'll create in a employee itself. So whenever they open any record, okay, in this record, let's say they want to have, apart from product, maybe employee related information, they have some internal portal, they have something related to employee provident fund, any questions the employee has, okay, anything HR wants to see employee related information, maybe this company has developed some internal portal, okay. In real time you will get the portal links, okay, you will get the portal links, and they will say that they need to access the portal from Salesforce. In the Salesforce itself, from Salesforce itself they want to open the links, okay, they want to call that website. So how we can achieve that requirement means by creating a button and link, okay. So let's go and create a button and link. So I want to create a link and button in employee object. So just go to employee object, edit object, okay. In object in object manager we have something called buttons, link and actions, okay. So these buttons, links and actions are specific to object, these are specific to objects, okay. Buttons, links and actions are specific to objects, okay. So so what is a button, what is the actions, okay. So here you have something, some standard buttons here like accept, clone, delete, edit, okay, list, new list, view. So if you go to an employee, you have something here, new contact, edit, opportunity, okay, and you have something here called clone, edit, okay. These are all called buttons. If you click on employee, you have something called new, okay. Once you enter everything, they have something next, cancel, these are also buttons, okay. And save and new, cancel, these are also called as a buttons, okay. Now we are going to be create those buttons and links, okay. Now, so how to create a button and links, just click on new action, sorry, not new action, we'll see these actions in automation, okay, automation topics we'll see, okay. So let me create a new button and link, okay. Now I want to create a new button, okay. So since I don't have any, since we are, this is a dummy customer and we don't have any websites, okay. So what I will do, I will assume that the website call is a Google, okay. So we want to call from Salesforce. If I click button called Google, the Google has to be open. Same way in real time, instead of Google, the link may be whatever the link they have given, you will give the name and link. Like I will give the label called button name called Google. I want to create a Google button, okay. Okay. And description, if you want to write any description. Now I want to create a link, okay. I'm creating a link, okay, link. So what is the behavior of that link, okay. When you click on the link, okay, how it should open, it should open in a new window or display in a existing window with slide bar, okay. Display in existing window without slide bar, or display in existing window with slide bar or header, means a different type, like how you want to open, you want to in a, you want to open in a different window, or you want to open in the same window with a different slide bar, like that, okay. So I want to go with a, with display in a window, display in existing window with slide bar, okay. Now what is the source content you are giving? Google means what is the source content, do you want to use URL or you want to use JavaScript or Visual Force page? So these are related to development, so we are not very, we are not sure this, so we'll go with the URL, okay. So what is a URL? See, this is called, actually this is called formula editor, actually we'll discuss in detail in next topics. So as of now, just understand, we need to be entered here only URL, here where we are entering only URL. So what is a URL for Google? Generally URL is HTTP, okay, HTTPS forward slash, okay, google.com, okay. See, generally I don't know this, see this I know Google link, I just pasted here, I just written, but generally whatever the link you will get from the customer, whatever the link they are expecting, you will get the link from customer. Let's say Google, I don't know what is a Google website, just go and go type Google, okay, google.com, just copy from here, copy, okay, copy and enter, okay, Google, and then check for syntax error, no syntax error, then save. It says that, boss, you are trying to create a new custom link, okay, you are creating a new custom link, okay, will not be displayed to users until you add it to the page layout, okay. What is meaning means, it's trying to say that whatever the button, whatever the link, sorry, whatever the link you are creating, okay, you need to be add to the layout, then only the end user can access to this one, okay. Click OK, okay. Now the link got added. So what it says, it says that I need to add to the page layout. We go to the page layout. Okay. Since employee we have 3 layouts, let me open a page layout called employee layout. Okay. So let me add here. Okay. Open the employee layout. Okay. See here, fields, buttons, something called custom link, right? Just click on. We have created link, right? Custom link only we have created. Just click on links. Custom links. We have something called Google. Okay. So Google we have created, right? Just where you want to paste means something here you have see something called custom links are there. Okay. Something is a custom link. Okay. Section. So just go drag and leave here. Okay. Google. Then save it. Same way, you add to other layouts also. Custom links, Google, just drag and paste here. Save. Tailsteam layout, Google. Save. So I just added Google to the all the layouts link. Okay. So we can see only in record level. Okay. You can see only in record level. Just go and open any record. Okay. Open any employee record. Just refresh. See the custom link. Now it got enabled and Google is there. If you open, see it's open in another window. Same window with different slider. Okay, click Google. It opens. Right? Okay. So this is how we can create a links, custom link. Okay. This URL will get from client. Okay. Whatever the URL we have created, whatever the link we have created, and whatever the URL we have given, I have given the URL called google.com, right? So that URL, see this URL you will get from your client, whatever the website they want to open, that website link they will give you, and they will give the name also. Okay. So but the creation process is same. Okay. Now let me create a button. I want to create a button. Now click new button. What is the button name I want to give? The button name I will say Yahoo I will give. Or else I can give Facebook. Okay. Okay. So I want to open it. I want to create a button. So let me go and type face. What is the Facebook URL? Facebook.com. Just copy. Okay. Here, Facebook. So what is the behavior I want? I'm creating a button. I just selected a button, not link. I am creating a button. Okay. I want to open in a new window. Okay. Just give paste. Okay. I want to use URL only because I am giving URL. Okay. Then check syntax. No syntax error. Then save. Says that now we are trying to add a new custom button. Okay. Will not be displayed to user until you add it to the page layout. Means I need to add to the page layout. Click OK. Go to the page layout. Okay. From here, employee layout. Click on buttons because I created a button, right? Buttons. Okay. See, Facebook is there, right? Facebook. Just come down. Okay. On employee details, you see right side here. Okay. These are all the standard buttons. Means system created standard buttons. Now I want to create a. Now I want to add a custom button. See here, you need to drag custom buttons. Drag here. Save. Same way, add to other layouts also, non-sales layout. Buttons, Facebook, just come down, just scroll down. Custom button. Here we need to add this drag and drop. Then sales team layout. Buttons. Okay, just come down. So I need to add custom buttons. Save it. Okay. Okay. So let's go and see how the buttons look. So let me first. See here, we are not able to see. Just refresh. Let me open any record. I'm audible. Hello.
Yes, yes, yes.
Hello. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Because the connection is slow. One second. Yeah, hello. So it's not showing here. Okay. So remember, whenever we create any buttons, okay, any buttons, okay, in Lightning, still they are working on Lightning. Okay, they have added, but they are not added here. They have added here. Okay, see Facebook. It's opening. Okay, so opening in a different page. Okay, so we are able to call Facebook, but okay, added a button, right? It's showing here. Okay, so if you just go to switch to classic, switch to classic, switch to source classic. So you can see exactly button how it looks like in classic. So still they are working. This feature still they are working in to get back the as a tell in light. So they are working still. Okay. To open any recent items, go to recent item and get open any record. Okay. See button as a Facebook came, right? Okay, open. It will open in a new window. See. Okay. So this is button links. Okay. So button, you can see proper button act button. You can in face in a classic environment. Still they are working to add like button in lightning environment. Okay. So they have added in lightning the website very slow. Hello. Hello.
Yeah.
Hello. Yeah. Able to hear me? Right. Okay. It got stuck actually from my side. Okay. Now I think so fine. Okay. So this is how we can create a buttons links. Okay. Clear? Any questions here in buttons and links? Any questions you want to ask?
Can you give me one real-time example for link requirement?
That's what I so that's what I said in the initial only I told you. Okay. The
Here,
requirement
here. Uh,
is okay in the real time. Okay. So they will give instead of Google, they will give their internal websites.
okay.
Whatever their internal websites. See, every company will have their own internal websites, right? Let's say here this company wants to have they have their own product related information. That's what I opened that Amazon product related information. Let's say this
Okay.
Amazon is a separate company, right? Okay, whatever the
Yeah.
products, okay, whatever the product related information. So maybe this company is maintaining their own website. Okay, that website access they want to give to their employee.
Okay.
Okay, so that link, okay, the name maybe we can define the name whichever the name they want, and the link whatever the link we have given instead of Google, so https forward slash google.com, instead of that one, so we can write whatever the link they have given. Okay, just open this one Google. Okay. See here, for the link I have written here. Here,
Mm.
this link will give by your customer. Okay? This link will given by your customer. Your customer will give the same link, not saying whatever the website they want to give as access to the users. That link they'll give as a requirement, and this name also they will give. Okay, they will suggest that we want to have it with this name. We want to have a link with this name. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now. Just be online. Let me restart my router. Just be online. Just be online.
Hello? Hello?
He, he's saying to be online. He's just restarting his router.
Dhruva, you're also from States, US only?
No, no. I'm in India.
Okay.
Yeah. You are already working on Salesforce?
No, not at all. I'm just about to start. How about you?
Actually, I'm working for a technical company in the electrical field.
Wow.
Yeah, so I'm just trying another option just for learning and any
Okay.
future
Durga,
options.
do you mind? Can you share your email ID?
Sure, sure.
Can I
Uh,
write it down in the message to you?
uh, I'm trying to see where I can text you. Yeah, here. Yes.
I'm here doing.
Kritik, yes.
You can send me test email. That would be great.
You're in US?
Yes, I'm at Whiteman Palace.
You're working there?
No, not yet. I have to start. I delivered a baby 6 months back.
Okay, okay. Baby boy or girl?
Boy,
Boy, congratulations.
thank you. I have to restart. Initially I used to work at India only.
Oh,
Yeah, but I had a 6, 7 years gap. So now I'm going to start with this Salesforce.
okay, okay. So how was the future options like for Salesforce in US?
Yeah, there are wonderful opportunities out there.
Oh, that's great. Good to hear that.
You can also try
Actually,
Durga.
to Australia, so I'm
Sorry,
picking this as another option.
you are what?
I'm planning to move to Australia.
Wow,
Hello.
there are having opportunity. Yeah.
I,
Hello.
yeah.
Yeah. Now it's fine.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Okay. So let's start about relationships. We'll discuss about relationships now. Okay. So let me open that. Okay. Hmm. Okay. So I want what is a relationship? So why we need a relationship in real time means okay. So let's say here okay whenever I try to create a record for an employee okay. So as we discuss here data in part as a part of data model we have been decided that we need to have another three options like product store bill right. So whenever I try to create a record for an employee okay, let's say I'm trying to create a record for any new joinee okay. So this time this is a requirement I'm trying to explain okay. So this time so when I try to create a record when I click save okay before saving so I'm giving his date of joining, I'm defining his qualification designation as a HR, and I'm giving salary experience. Apart from this I need to allocate this person to any of the store right. So anyway he is going to work as a, let's say he is working as a maybe he is working as store manager okay he's working. So I need to have a field here so that I can select which store he is going to work okay, in which store he is going to be work okay. So I need to call store related information here, right? Store may be a separate object, but I need the data of other object to be displayed here, right? I'm calling other object data in employee object. Store object data in employee object means I'm trying to establish a relation in between two objects. So that's what the relationship. So here in objects we can create a relationship in between objects. Okay. So how we can create relationship? We can create relationship in between objects two ways. One is a lookup relationship, another one is a master detail relationship. Okay. One is a lookup relationship, another one is a master detail relationship. Okay. Lookup, 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 lookup detail lookup relationship. So what is a lookup relationship? Lookup relation nothing but, okay. So here let's say I'm creating a relation between employee and store, right? I'm creating a relationship between employee and store. Okay. So here I'm calling a data of store in employee, right? So what I need, I am calling data of store. I'm calling in employee. Which data? Employee data I'm calling here, right? So whatever the data you are calling, whatever the data you are calling, which object data you are calling, this object will become a parent object. Parent. Okay. So relationships are nothing but parent child relationship. Okay. So in which object you are calling data, that object will become child object. Child object. This object will become child object. Okay. Okay. This is a child object, in which object we are calling some other object data, or else you can remember in which object you are creating a relationship, that object as a child, and which object you are calling. The calling object will be parent. Okay, calling object will be parent, and when object you are creating, other object is a child. Okay, 1 second. Yeah. Now, so relationships are nothing but parent-child relationship. So one will be the parent, another will be the child. Child. Now, what exactly is lookup relationship? So what exactly is lookup relationship? Okay. So what are the features? Let's see some features. What are the features means? Okay. If we delete, okay, parent record. Let's say if I delete store record, in example, if I delete parent record, child data or child data will be remaining. Okay. Child data will be remaining. Okay. Means child data will not get deleted. Okay. Now let's try to create a relationship, lookup relationship. Okay. The same way, what is a master detail means? Master detail also same. Master detail also. Okay. Same thing. If I try to create a relation between employee and store, if we delete, okay, master record, master detail. If I delete master record, okay, child will also get deleted. Child will also get deleted. Okay. Okay. Now let's see. So for that, let me create another objects. So how to create an object? Just go to setup. Let's go to setup. Okay. Object manager. Create custom object. So I want to create another two objects like store. Okay. Let's say stores. As we have seen how to create objects. Okay. Store name only. I'll not change anything. Just select all our reports. Allow search. Launch a new custom report. Click save. So store means I'll select store information, store as a shopping cart. Okay, anything we can select. It's all about security, give to everyone, allow everyone can access. And app, I want to assign to only Reliance Teacher. Save. Okay. Now I want to create one more object. Just go to object manager, call product. So to create a master detail relationship, I'll create bill instead of bill. I'll create a bill. Okay. I'll call it the bill ID. ID should generate automatically. Bill ID. Starting notice one. Hello reports, hello activity, hello track, hello search, launch interest number. Save. Sometimes it will stuck. It's a natural. Just refresh. Top style. Oops. Alright. No red lines. So save. Refresh. Okay. Object got created. Okay. Now I want to create a relation between employee and store. So let's create few stores here. New store names. Hyderabad, Bangalore. Right. That's fine. Okay. So let's create a relationship in between employee and store. So let me log in into the let me go to the object manager. So I want to go into employee object. So select
Hello. Hello.
refresh. I want to go to employee object because I want to create a relation between employee and store. So I want to call store information in employee. Just go to fields and relationship, click new. Okay. So I want to create a relationship called fields and relationship. Okay, click new. Just 1 second. Okay, this came. Okay. So now I want to create a relationship between called lookup relationship. Select lookup relationship. Select lookup. Next. So relate to with object. I want to relate to employee to store. So from here, select store. Select store. Okay. Then next store. Okay. Employee relationship to employee. Then click next. It's asking about security. Whom and all you want to give access. Click next. Next. Save. Okay. Now the relationship got created. Okay. So let's see how it looks like. Nothing, you have to select the relationship type as a lookup relationship and relate to particular object. Then next. That's all. As of now, just remember this one. In future, again we'll discuss. But as of now, just remember this one whenever we need it. So I want to create a new non-sales. Okay. See, here I'm able to call store information, right? Store. I'm able to call store. I'm able to pick up store information here. Okay. To open any of the existing record. Okay. So we can assign to any of the store to them. Let me assign to Mumbai store. Say new address. And assign say let me go to employees. Priya. Employee store. Say employees. Vacancy. And you to Hyderabad. Okay. Save it. So like this, we can assign the particular user, particular employee to store. So I'm able to call store information. Okay. Now let me create a master data relationship. So what I want to create a master data relationship is I want to create a master data relationship in between bill and employee. Okay. So whenever a bill is trying to create, whenever I try to create a bill record, okay. So here I want to call some employee information. Who is selling this product? Okay. Who is selling this product means who employee is selling this product. So for that, let me create a 2 3 fields here. Okay. So the fields called bill name, sorry, product, bill date. Okay. Those things. So just go to just fields and relationship. So click new and you have bill date. Bill date as a date. Then click next. Bill date. Next. Bill date and amount and tax. Any discount. Bill date, currency. Yeah, amount. Price of the product. Product price. Pricing. Product price. Price. Next. And discount. And I have one more field called discount. Discount as a percentage, right? Discount will be percentage. discount can be not more than 2 digits. If I give 100 3 digits means 100% discount means company will be in loss. So discount and some customer contact number. Some customer customer contact number. Customer contact number. Next. Save. That's fine. Just try to refresh. Okay. Let me arrange something in page load. Now I want to call employee details here. Now I want to create a relationship between bill and employee. So I want to call employee details in bill. So employee will be master. Okay. Bill will be child, right? So bill will be child. So I want to create a relation. So I want to call employee means I want to create relation in bill. So go to bill, click new. Okay. So select master detail relationship. Master detail relationship. Same, you have to relate to employee. Next. Next. Same. Okay. It's got created. Okay. Now let's see. Let's go and see how it looks like. Say I'm able to call employee details here. Right? I'm able to call employee details, right? Right. But if you observe, it is a mandatory field. See, it came star means master detail relationship is a. It will come as a. It will come as a mandatory field. But lookup is a not mandatory field. If you see lookup here in employee, you try to create any record. Sorry, employee, you try to create any record. Store is not a mandatory field. No star here. Okay. Now let's see if I create a record. Okay. Now what we have done in what we have discussed. Okay. If you delete any master record in what you call, let's say here this is a master, this is a parent, right? In lookup. So if you delete master, okay. So particular employee, okay. This store is related to these many employees, right? So if I delete this store, called Mumbai, so the particular whatever the data is there, it should be deleted, right? It should not delete in a lookup relationship. Okay. So let's see all the employees data are there or deleted. No, nothing has been deleted. All the employees data is there. Okay. But for them, only store information may be empty. Why? Because particular store, sorry, which people we have assigned Mumbai store. Let's go to see here. Yeah, but these people store went. Okay. Why? Because this, since it is a lookup, if you delete master detail, child the master detail will go off, but remaining record is available. Okay. Now let's try to see in master detail relationship how it look like, how it will be. Let's say if I create a bill, okay, not today only, right? And discount I want to give 10%, and phone number is, and the product price is less than 10,000, and the employee, let's say Shubhani, and save it. Okay. Now the bill got created. Okay. So if I delete this bill, okay, automatically Shubhani has also been deleted, right? Because this bill is sold by, this product is sold by Shubhani. Okay. This employee has to be deleted. Means then only master detail works, right? Why? Because if you delete any of the, sorry, okay. So here Billy is a child and this is a parent, right? So if I delete Shubhani, okay, let's see what will happen. If I delete Shubhani, Bill also got deleted. See, Bill also got deleted. If I delete Shubhani, okay, proper Shubhani has created a bill called so and so, that bill also got created. Means whatever the master detail record you have deleted, child also got deleted, right? Not in the lookup. In lookup, if you delete the master, only master got deleted, child is remaining. Okay, clear? Any question here?
Oh, just one quick confirmation. So, if any employee moves out of the company, so their details will be deleted generally. So
Yeah.
that can I share with this?
Uh, can you come again? Means you're trying to say some employee has been left the company. Okay. So that
Yeah.
employee details they don't want to be maintained longer time, right?
Yes, exactly. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. It depends upon organization to organization. If they delete, so whatever the, let's say if they have, if there is a master detail relationship along with that employee with any of the details, those details also
Mm,
will get deleted. See, generally,
mm.
okay, nowadays nobody will delete their employee data. Why? Because for background verification and all, so many people will come and check, right? So they will maintain the
Yeah,
data until unless
yeah.
if something is needed and they're going out of space, then they will take an action. They will delete.
Okay.
Maybe they will keep some track like okay, only employee details, other details they don't want because that employee is, we should maintain only like date of joining and date of leaving. That's more than enough. Then they will keep that
Professional
information.
information only they will maintain, and the personal
Yes,
details maybe if they wish to delete, they
yes,
can delete. So that
yes,
option, this option I can relate to that, right? That is what
yes,
I'm
yes,
asking.
yes, yes. You can relate to
Okay.
lookup. You can relate to lookup actually. No. So that's fine. I'll stop today. Okay. So tomorrow morning, once you connect, there will be no disturbance for you because you will be on sync. Something we need to discuss. Something called some security is there. Only how to create user profiles roles. That if you are comfortable, you can connect tomorrow same time, or else we'll have some other time, no issues. But for that, no worries. You can join in morning time. So you are on safe side, no worries.
Okay. Fine.
Yeah. Trupti, any
Thank-
questions here? Yeah,
Sir, I have to
you're
go
trying
through.
to.
So for me, today's session was a little bit heavy, sir, but I have to
No.
go.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'll share the recording, both of you. After some time, I'll share the recording. Okay, maybe tomorrow morning only I can share because it takes time to. It is taking at least 2-3 hours to get download. Actually, it's not coming. Previously, it used to come half an hour, 1 hour, but nowadays this GoToMeeting is taking time to get download. Okay. Once I download, I'll share the everything by tomorrow morning. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
See you too. Yeah. Thank you.
Can you
See you
please share the
tomorrow.
previous
Yeah,
record?
Trupti. Recording. I'll also share with you, Trupti. And tomorrow same time, Trupti will connect same time. Okay.
Okay.
Durga, I'll let you know, Durga. Maybe yeah, before if you want to come to this session or not. Durga, we'll talk personally. No issues. Okay. But you just continue on 6:30, Durga. So we'll continue on
Yeah.
6:30. Okay. Trupti will be same time tomorrow. 10 o'clock we'll meet. Okay.
Okay, fine, sir.
Okay then. Thank you.
So can you please share the previous sessions you were supposed to
Yeah,
share with me?
sure. Sure. I'll share. I'll share those
Can
things
I
also.
expect today, at least in the daytime, I would be able to go through these things, sir?
Yeah. I'll share. I'll try to share. Okay.
Thank you.